Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are doing 90s pop, 90s discotheque. Reminds me of DJ Gitz, DJ Gitau. That was his name, DJ Gitau. Bring it on, man. I've been thinking about you, but now let's see if you'll be right on time. Right on time. Let's go. Right on time. Macadam. Otieno aloka. Abiro. Wabiro tugo kanyakla. Kisumu kanyo. Uwinjo. Hey, my fans. Subscribe to my channel. Like the video. You know, we are here together. One car kanyakla. Orutu. That was Ohangla pop. Ohangla pop of the 90s. Don't get it. Come it. Weka thumbs up. Kamit ni, weka thumbs up. Kok mit ni to rita, wabiro.